Another important formula, because trigonometry is full of formulas, right? One formula, one lecture, one new formula, right? So in each and every lecture we are going to learn new formula. Okay, so first formula is tan a plus b, right? So tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. If plus, then plus, and in denominator minus. So what is the answer? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus multiplication of these two, right? इसका मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, तो जो प्लस रहेगा तो न्यूमरेटर में प्लस, डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस आ जाएगा, राइट? सिमिलरली इफ माइनस, देन न्यूमरेटर माइनस, डिनोमिनेटर प्लस, सो रिवर्स साइन होगा, राइट? प्लस, देन न्यूमरेटर प्लस, डिनोमिनेटर माइनस, माइनस, देन न्यूमरेटर माइनस, डिनोमिनेटर प्लस, राइट? जो साइन रहेगा वो न्यूमरेटर में आएगा, उसका ऑपोजिट साइन डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. सो सेम फॉर्मूला tan a plus b. So main formula is tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus multiplication of tan a tan b, right? And tan a minus b is tan a minus then tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now for cot, nothing to do, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आपको ये फॉर्मूला पता हो गई, या आपको याद रहेगी ना? हाँ. So what is the answer? Tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. If minus, then here minus, then this is plus. That is the change. Otherwise, same formula. So memorize this one formula only, and then remember formula by technique for cot. So cot a plus b. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So what to do? Starting from this formula tan a plus b, starting from here reverse. So start cot b cot a, starting from this end point, cot b cot a minus 1, cot b cot a minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a, cot b plus cot a, right? So आपको tan की फॉर्मूला याद है तो cot की फॉर्मूला ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगी, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, दिमाग में से ऑटोमेटिक आएगी बाहर, राइट? और cot a minus b, similarly cot tan a minus b, cot b cot a plus 1, cot b cot a plus 1, cot b minus cot a, cot b minus cot a. So order in cot is also important, because you change here cot a minus cot b, then answer will be wrong. It is cot b minus cot a, so you have to go by reverse, right? Reverse में जाना है, okay? So cot a plus b is cot b cot a plus then minus. So cot b cot a minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. So reverse में स्टार्ट करना, b से स्टार्ट करना है cot की फॉर्मूला. cot a minus b जो है वो cot b cot a minus then plus, right? In tan plus plus, in cot reciprocal, so you have to change also sign order. So minus then plus, and plus then minus in numerator, and opposite of that in denominator. So cot a minus b is cot b cot a plus 1, minus then plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a, right? तो ये चार फॉर्मूला नया सेट हो गया आपके पास. नाउ इसका एप्लीकेशन देख लेते हैं. जो फॉर्मूला आपने ये सीखी है तो क्या एप्लीकेशन है वो देखेंगे, और वो देखेंगे तो फॉर्मूला फिर वापस लिखेंगे तो आपको याद भी रह जाएगा, राइट? बिकॉज राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस मस्ट, हाउ टू apply formula that you have to know. So what is given? Prove that tan pi by 3 minus theta is equal to root 3 cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus root 3 sin theta, right? So we are taking a left hand side. Left hand side is tan pi by 3 minus theta, tan pi by 3 minus theta, right? जब भी कोई फॉर्मूला आप यूज करते हो तो आपको लिखना है नोटबुक में, और मार्जिन में भी लिखना मैंने आपको बोला है, राइट? सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर tan a minus b. So this is tan a minus b. Now formula for tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b. So tan a minus tan b whole upon 1 plus, this is minus, then this is plus. And remember, in formula of tan, there is always 1 in left hand side of denominator. In denominator, left hand side, there must be a 1 for this formula of 10, right? And that is the most important point to remember to apply formula of 10 or identify, right? So this is 1 plus 10a into 10b, 1 plus 10a into 10b. So this is the formula which we are going to apply. So now instead of a, here is pi by 3, and instead of b, here is theta. So applying this formula, what we get? 10 pi by 3 minus 10 theta whole upon 1 plus multiplication of these two, 10a, 10b. So 10 pi by 3 into 10 theta. Got it? Now 10 pi by 3, 1060. That is, answer is root 3, right? So 10 pi by 3 is root 3. Now we want answer in sine and cos, and this is 10. That means we have to change 10 into sine cos, and 10 theta is sine theta upon cos theta. So 10 theta is sine theta upon cos theta whole upon 1 plus, this is again root 3, and 10 theta is sine theta upon cos theta, right? तो मैथ्स में कुछ भी प्रूव करना है तो आपको याद रखना है 3 पॉइंट्स. आपकी लाइफ में भी, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट में, कहां भी काम आएगा. क्या दिया है? व्हाट इज गिवन? व्हाट इज गिवन? दिस इज गिवन, राइट? व्हाट यू वांट, हमको क्या चाहिए? हमको ये चाहिए साइन कॉस, एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट यू कैन, आप क्या कर सकते हो? क्या कर सकते हो? 10 को साइन कॉस में चेंज करने के लिए तो साइन कॉस में चेंज कीजिए. सो 10 थीटा इज साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा, राइट? So 10 theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So we are changing this. So what is given? What you want and what you can, right? तो ये 3 क्वेश्चन आप कहीं भी लाइफ में भी करो. क्या है आपके पास? आपको क्या चाहिए? जो चाहिए इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपके पास क्या है? 11th 12th स्टैंडर्ड है. आपको क्या चाहिए? अच्छी कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए, इंजीनियरिंग में, टॉप बेस्ट कॉलेज ऑफ गुजरात और इंडिया. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? What you can. आपको अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करनी है. That is the given, right? So 3 question of life is most important. What is given, what you want, and what you can, right? So now taking LCM, cos theta LCM will be cut. So no need to write LCM. So this is multiplied by cos theta. So this is root 3 cos theta minus sin theta, right? Whole upon cos theta plus root 3 sin theta. Right? So this is your right hand side. So this is right hand side, and hence this is true. Right? Now another question. Tan 39 degree is equal to root 3 plus cos 20 root 3 into cos 21 degree minus sin 21 degree upon cos 21 plus root 3 sin 21. Right? So this is given left hand side. Tan 39 degree. सेम क्वेश्चन है, सेम क्वेश्चन है, राइट? मगर आपको पता नहीं चलता सेम है. प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए, राइट? व्हाट इज गिवन? 39 डिग्री इज गिवन, राइट? नाउ व्हाट टू डू? यू कांट नो, बट यू हैव सम स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज, सपोज 45, 30, 60, 90, right? So you have to convert this degree into that, right? ये डिग्री को आपको इसमें कन्वर्ट करना है. तो क्या करना है? इस टाइप के एग्जांपल्स के लिए, ऐसे जो एग्जांपल दिए गए हैं एग्जाम में, तो आपको क्या करना है? तो ये देखो 39 है, यहाँ पे 21 है, और 39 और 21 को ऐड करेंगे क्या होगा? 39 डिग्री प्लस 21 इज इक्वल टू 60, right? So 39 is 60 minus 21 also, right? So you will get 39 degree is equal to 60 degree minus 21 degree. You will get, okay? So this is 10. Instead of 39 degree, you have to change this into one known angle, राइट। आपको जो एंगल की वैल्यू पता है उसमें आपको एक चेंज करना है, राइट। सो 39 विल बी 60 डिग्री माइनस 21 डिग्री। नाउ कम ऑन, दिस इज 60 minus theta, so theta is 21 degree here. Theta is 21 degree and this is 60. This is radian, this is degree. Got it? So same question, same answer. Root 3 cos theta. Theta is 21 degree. You will get your answer. So applying formula tan A minus B. Same formula. I am not writing. I am writing from here. You have to write, right? So applying this formula, what is the answer? Tan 60 degree minus tan 21 degree whole upon 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 21 degree. Got it? So tan 60 is root 3 and we want answer in sin cos, means we have to change this into sin cos. So this is sin 21 degree whole upon cos 21 degree whole upon 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 and this is sin 21 degree upon cos 21 degree. Taking LCM, you will get your answer. So this is root 3 cos 21 degree minus sin 21 degree whole upon cos 21 degree plus root 3 sin 21 degree. That is your right hand side, and hence this is proved. Right? As per my promise, आपको जो भी कोई नई फॉर्मूला सिखाई जाएगी तब एक एक एग्जांपल या 2-3 एग्जांपल होमवर्क में दिया जाएगा फॉर प्रैक्टिस. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर दिस इज पाई बाय 3 माइनस थीटा. सो इफ पाई बाय 3 प्लस थीटा, you can change this into pi by 3 plus theta. So homework question, right? दिख रहा हो, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है ना? तो tan pi by 3 plus theta, tan pi by 3 plus theta, how to, आपको किस तरह से एग्जाम्पल भी बनाना है वो भी सिखाता हूं मैं. एग्जाम्पल खुद अपने बनाइए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. So this is minus, then we are taking plus. So what is your answer? Here plus and here minus. So answer will be root 3 cos theta. So root 3 cos theta minus then plus. This is because we are taking plus here. Plus sin theta upon cos theta minus root 3 sin theta. Root 3 sin theta. So this is in radian. Now if you want in degree, then 60 plus, I am taking suppose 21, then this example will be there, that is 60 plus 21, that is tan 81. So tan 81 degree is equal to, right, root 3 cos 21 plus, same thing, I am taking now theta is 21 here, so root 3 plus root 3 cos 21 plus sin 21 degree whole upon cos 21 degree minus root 3 sin 21. Right? So these are two questions for homework. Okay? और नए क्वेश्चन दिखते हैं. Next question is tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a is equal to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Right? We have to prove this. Nothing to do. Put here minus sign instead of dot. Make a dot a long one. You will get your answer right hand side. Okay, this is proof. चलेगा ना? हाँ? Okay. So ये नहीं करना है. तो क्या किया हमने अगले एग्जाम्पल में? एंगल देखें क्या होता है. तो यहाँ पे देखो 3 2 a है. 3 एंगल है 3 2 and a. So 3a is either 2a plus ab हम ले सकते हैं, either twice a is equal to 3a minus ab हम ले सकते हैं, right? Either a is equal to 3a minus 2a भी ले सकते हैं. ये तीन possibilities है हमारे पास, right? These are the three possibilities because if we take 3a then 3 means 2 plus 1. If we take 2 then 3a minus a is 2, and if we take a, then 3a minus 2a is a. So you can use any of these idea for solving this type of questions. Okay, so I'm taking this. So here 3a is equal to twice a plus a. So inserting tan function both sides, so therefore tan of 3a is equal to tan of twice a plus a. Right? Now never write here again 3a because this is 3a. We have split out this, so we have to apply a plus b formula. So now formula for tan a plus b, as you know, tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Right? This is the formula. So applying this formula, what we get? This is equal to tan 2a plus tan a. So this is tan 2a plus tan a whole upon 1 minus tan 2a into tan a tan b. Right? So this is our answer, tan 3a. Now this is not to prove. We have to prove tan 3a minus tan a 2a minus tan a. That means we have to simplify this. Means cross multiplying this. What we get? Tan 3a is multiplied with this. So tan 3a minus tan 3a is multiplied with this. So tan 3a into tan twice a into tan a is equal to tan 2a plus tan a. So this is tan 2a plus tan a. Right? Now we want tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. That is this. So taking these two right hand side, these become plus, and taking this term to left hand side, this become minus. So therefore tan 3a into tan twice a into tan a is equal to, right, this comes left hand side become minus. So tan 3a and minus tan 2a minus tan a. Right? So this is what you want to prove. So this is proof. Right? तो है ना इजी? हाँ, बहुत ही इजी है. मैंने ये कंसेप्ट लिया, ये हिंट था, ये सब हिंट थे. Now you can try with this also at home, practice. Right? So no need to रट्टा. ओके, रट्टा मारने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप कुछ नहीं करना, रट्टा मारने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप कंसेप्ट को समझो, क्या करना है. आपके पास बहुत ही सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज है. देयर इज अ एन मेथड फॉर सॉल्विंग अ क्वेश्चंस. यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट एनी वन ऑफ देम. राइट? सो मैंने ये बताई, आपको यही फॉलो करना, ये नहीं है. आपको जो चाहे, आपका मन जो चाहे वो मेथड आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, मगर कंसेप्ट और फॉर्मूला करेक्ट अप्लाई करना है. That is the important. So now try for this. Take 2a is equal to 3a minus a. Apply tan a minus b formula. Here we apply tan a plus b formula. Apply a minus b formula. And for this, so we have to solve two examples more. Taking 2a is equal to 3a minus a and a is equal to 3a minus twice a, and solve. And we will get same result. Right? So this is the practice. मैंने बोला था आपको, मैं मैथ सिखाऊंगा भी और आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना भी सिखाऊंगा. तो ये आपका एक क्वेश्चन बन गया. राइट? नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. 10 25 10 15 10 15 10 50 10 25 and 50. So here terms are 25 15 and 50. So sum of these all term is, angle is 90. Sum of all angle is 90. Right? So what to do now? So it is given 90, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 90 is given. Right? So here what is given? Here 25 degree plus 15 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 90 degree. taking one, any of these, you can take any one. I am taking 25. Now that means you have to take 15 as a homework and 50 as a homework, 2 more questions, right? Because you can take anything. So I am taking 15 to opposite side, that is 50 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 25 degree. Right? So inserting tan function both sides, tan 50 degree plus 15 degree is equal to tan 90 degree minus 25 degree. Got it? Now here we have to apply this formula, tan A plus B formula. So applying tan A plus B formula, I am not writing, you have to write here. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan B. Okay, I am also writing. So tan A plus B formula, tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B whole upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula. Right? So applying this formula, what we get? This is tan A, that is tan 50 degree, plus tan B, that is tan 15 degree, right? Whole upon 1 minus tan 50 degree into tan 15 degree is equal to, now this is tan 90 minus theta. No need to apply tan A minus B formula. This is standard angle 90 and you have a conversation, transformation of tan into cot. So tan 90 minus theta you learn in 10 standard. 90 minus theta is cot theta. So answer is cot 25 degree. Answer is cot 25 degree. You know this, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. And we learn in 11th standard also that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, first quadrant all positive, change tan change into cot, right? Now we need all answer in tan and this is cot. So cot is the reciprocal of tan. So I am writing here tan 50 degree plus tan 25 degree whole upon 1 minus tan 50 degree into tan 15 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 25 degree, because cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, right? Due to this, I am writing this. Now multiplying this, what we get? Tan 50 degree into tan will be multiplied with this also. So tan 25 degree plus tan 25 degree, sorry, this is 15, by mistake I write, this is 15. So tan 25 into tan 15, so tan 25 into tan 15 degree is equal to, this comes to here with multiplying 1, so this is 1 minus tan 50 into tan 15 degree, tan 50 degree into tan 15 degree. Right? So now we have to do equal to 1. So taking these two, left hand side minus become plus. So this is tan 50 degree, tan 25 degree plus tan 25 degree into tan 15 degree plus tan 50 degree into tan 15 degree is equal to 1. And that is what you want to prove. Got it? So it's a very easy question. बस आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए, कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. तो हमने यहाँ क्या किया? हमने 25 को सामने लिया, right hand side. Now you can try for taking 15 to right hand side, then once again for taking 50 to opposite side, right? So you have another 2 questions, okay, for homework, for practice. Do it yourself, okay? And many more I am giving you, okay? So ये सब करके मैं यहाँ पे और 3-4 एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए लिख देता हूँ, वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है. So as per my promise, these are 5 questions to do it yourself for homework. Do it yourself, okay?